Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create a YouTube playlist on mobile phone. If you would like to compile several YouTube videos to one folder, then you can easily do that by creating a YouTube playlist. Just follow these steps. Open up any internet browser on your mobile phone and go to youtube.com website. Click on three dot icon at the top right corner, and from the appeared menu select Desktop Site. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner and click on your channel option. Click on Customize Channel button at the top. Click on Playlist tab. Here you will see your already created playlists. If you would like to create a new playlist, then just click on New Playlist button. Type in the name of your new playlist. Set the privacy of the playlist. In this case, I will leave it public and click on Create button. New playlist has been created. If you would like to add one of your videos to this new playlist, then open up YouTube app. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner. And from the appeared menu, select your channel. Find the video which you would like to add to your newly created playlist and click on three dot icon next to it. From the appeared menu, select Save to Playlist. Choose the playlist where you want to save your video and click on Done afterwards. Done. You have successfully created a new playlist and saved a video to it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create a YouTube playlist on your mobile phone. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.